Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making chocolate orange cupcakes. This, if you see my last video, I'll recommend to go check that out before you watch this video, so that'll be in the link in the description below. But once you finished watching that video, come back to this video and watch it. But today, I just thought I made orange cud in the last video and this is going to be including that. So let's just get into it. The ingredients you'll need are 2 beaten eggs, 115 grams of butter, 115 grams of caster sugar, the zest of half orange, the juice of half orange, and 25 grams of grated chocolate. Let's get into the video. First thing we're gonna do is put in a bowl of sugar and our butter. And we're gonna put it under the whisker. I'm gonna whisk until nice and fluffy. This has been beating, so it's now nice and fluffy, and we're gonna add the orange zest and beat it for a bit longer. This has been beating, and now we're gonna gradually add in the eggs, so add a bit at a time. And put it on a minimum speed, because otherwise it's all gonna splash up in your face and you don't want it. I kind of forgot to say that you're going to need some self-raising flour. You're going to need 115 grams. So I forgot to say that, sorry about that. All we're going to do is put this in. And we're just going to sit this in. And we're now just going to fold it in. We are now going to add in the grated chocolate. And the orange juice. And yet again, we're just going to fold this in. As you can see, this mixture that I've just made might be a little bit darker than your mixture. I've just added about like a tablespoon of cocoa powder in, just to make it a bit of more chocolatey texture. So it still looks really nice, and yeah. We are now going to grab our cupcake cases. I've just got the cases, and now we're going to spoon all this mixture into here. These are now going to go into the already preheated oven for 20 minutes. You'll need for the buttercream are 200 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of butter, 50 grams of melted chocolate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some milk. Let's get into the buttercream. The first thing we're going to do is put in the butter into our bowl, and we're going to mix it until it's all nice and soft. We are now, so this has been mixing, and now we're going to gradually add in a bit of the icing sugar at a time. And mix well between each bit. So the buttercream is just finished, and now we're going to add in the vanilla extract. And we're going to beat it again. So the buttercream is now finished, and we're going to grab a spatula and bring all of the excess mixture on your paddle off. And we're now going to pour the melted chocolate into it. And we're going to fold this in. So the buttercream is finished, and now we're going to put this to the side and grab our cupcakes and the orange curd we made in the last video. So the cupcakes are now done. They are looking very nice, and I just grabbed like an apple corer and my orange curd and a little spoon. So all we're going to do is take out the middle of the cupcakes. So like you would an apple corer, you just twirl it, push it to the bottom and lift it up, which gives you the sponge inside, and you can just put that to the side. I just grabbed some gloves because it's not very hygienic, and you're going to grab your teaspoon of orange curd and you're going to grab it. It might be a bit sticky if you've left it overnight, like mine. You can probably hold it and everything. And all you're going to do is put it inside, stick it inside of the cupcake, like that. I'm going to put a little bit more in. And I'm just going to do that to all of these cupcakes. These are done now. As you can see all the orange bits inside of them. So we're going to just grab the buttercream and put it in a piping bag and start piping. I put the buttercream on, and I thought it'd be nice with the extra sponge that we took out earlier, just to grab some of it and just sprinkle it on. Okay, so these are now done. I'm very, very happy with the results. I just sprinkled some of the extra cake we had earlier on top of them, and they look amazing. You'll expect to see some pictures on my Instagram, of course, at baking.with.eva. So thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!